If you want to see a basic level of detail for the site that you made using Microsoft Power Pages, then you can actually go ahead and view site details. So to access it, you can go around over here onto the left side when your site that you want to see the details for is opened, and then you need to go ahead and click on Setup right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see the general section, and here you can see the site details, and here you can see the security configurations for your particular site, which is in a pass level in my case, 5 out of 7, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is 5 out of 7 site checks passed. And if you want to see the detail of it, then you can actually go around over here and view the details on how it is actually calculated from over here as well, if you want to learn more about it. You can also go ahead and click on refresh results right here, just like this, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and give you the details of it, the security details, and you can see like there's 7 checkings right here, and you can see that what actually went wrong right here, just like this. You can see the configuration, the others, and all 10 of the sections right here, just like this, which requires to be passed right here for security configurations. Apart from that, over here you can see the name of the site right here. This is TutorTube benefits, but I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube advantages. Let's say, for example, this does not actually change the name that appears in the URL, but you can see that you can change the file name right here, just like this. And apart from that, you can see the other details like the owner. In this case, I'm myself the owner, and over here you can see that you can see like when the site was created, when it was last modified, the language the site is on, and so forth. The type is developer website. You can see the application ID as well, and see like why this is utilized as well. It's a unique information that differentiates your app from other apps, as you can see right here. And then you can go ahead and then disable and enable the early upgrade if you want, and so forth. You don't need to worry about a lot of these things if you're just managing a site, but it's handy to know where these tools are. So that is how you can go ahead and then view the site details in Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.